The message "theft attempted" in a Vauxhall or Opel car means that the anti-theft system detected some issues and it thinks that someone tried to steal your car. But in 99% of cases, it's actually not about car theft at all. So how it actually works? The anti-theft system has a lot of sensors all around the car, like door sensors, car seat sensors, and a lot of other sensors in the car that it registers the signals from. And when something hits your car, when your car moves and and the anti-theft is activated, it may register this issue, and when you open the car and try to start the engine, it will show you theft attempted. Actually, it changes nothing absolutely, but it makes sense to check whether the car is damaged. So there are several actual reasons why this theft attempted can pop up on the dash of your car. And first of all is just strong wind. When the strong wind blows outside, it can shake your car a little bit at night, for example, and the anti-theft system will register this as the attempt to steal your car, attempt to get into the car. So it may throw this message. If there was a strong wind in your area, this may be the problem. Also, if something fell on your car, this may trigger this issue, like something fell from the balcony of your neighbor right onto your car that was parked on the street. This may cause the issue. Very often it's the dash cam. So the dash cam that is attached to the windshield, at night it fell onto the floor of your car, for example, or onto the panel and created these vibrations that the sensors registered, and you see this error message. Also, there is nothing wrong with the car and you just can drive. But if there is no dash cam and no wind, nothing fell onto your car, you need to check whether the car is okay, whether it's not damaged, because sometimes it's about the hit and run issues. So someone damaged your car, the minor accident, and this person went away. In this case, you may also see the theft attempted because the sensors registered some issues with the car. Or maybe someone vandalized your car a little bit. So you need to go around the car and to see if something actually happened with the vehicle. And if something happened, you may need to find maybe surveillance cameras, or maybe call the police and try to investigate the issue.